Hello my friends, my name is Suivan and I am going to demonstrate how do we know the basic information about your computer like RAM, memory, space, hard disk space, what OS is installed in your computer. So you can know everything about your computer, and whenever you have a computer or laptop you can know the information key which computers are best for us or whatever. So for the information, to knowing information on the desktop, you have to right click on this PC, and then there will be a dialog box, and the end of the dialog box there will be a option properties. You have to click on it. When you click on it, the other dialog box is open. There will be a basic information about your computer. That's it. There are the processor information, which processor is installed in your laptop or computer, how much memory is installed in your computer, system ka type, what is the name of your computer, and the OS which is installed in your computer. So you can know this all basic information through this process. Here I know that you have know how to get your computer's basic information. Thank you very much.